Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to give you a short tutorial on how to use Microsoft Word. Let's go to our computer. We're going to open up Microsoft Word by clicking on our Start button. Let's go to All Programs, find Microsoft Office, and just click on Word. Now, you're presented with a window that basically appears like a piece of paper. Microsoft Word is a word processing program that allows you to type much like you're using a typewriter to create documents, and then you can style those documents so that you can make things stand out more, change colors and font sizes. I'm just going to type some text here. I'm going to say this is my title. Now it doesn't really look much like a title, but if we highlight that and click on Quick Styles here under Styles, let's just select Title. There, as you can see, looks much more like a title by David Andrews. I'm going to make that a subtitle by highlighting it, going to Quick Styles, and then clicking on Subtitle. That's how quickly Word can stylize your documents and apply different colors and fonts and formats. You can do this manually by saying this is some text. I'm going to make that bold so it'll stand out a little more just by highlighting it and clicking on this little B here icon, which makes it darker. That way you can read it better. I'll uncheck my B because as I continue typing, it'll keep typing in the bold. If I uncheck that and then type again, you can see how that makes an item stand out a lot more than others. You can highlight text, you can italicize it, you can underline it, you can change the font by just using this little drop-down box right here, and you can make font sizes larger using these number choosers here. I'll just click on one there. To change colors, on your little A here with the red, I'm going to make this green. It's that easy to change text colors. My name is Dave Andrews, and I'm just giving you a short tutorial on using Microsoft Word.